Alrighty there, pluckers, I have sore fingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. Another piano transcription from Andrew Gould's classic song Never Let Her Slip Away. Okay, standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret, which puts us into the same key as Andrew Gould's original record. Okay, so let's start off with the iconic intro. It starts off, I'm playing 5 frets from the capo, an F shape, it's an A chord, okay. 5th string is open, not playing the bottom E string, just the 5th string. But we start off with an A6, okay. So to this A chord we add pinky to the 7th fret from the capo on the 2nd string, the B string. Should sound like that. That's an A6, okay. So what we do is we hit the bottom A string, open, the 5th string, and we do, okay, with little pinky on to start with, and then take it off on the very end of the phrase. Da, 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 da. And then we do it again, we hit the A string, okay. That's the first chord. The second chord is a D major 7th going to a D6. The 2nd fret, first 3 strings barred with the 1st finger. So it's da 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 da, and the last chord is the D6. Okay, so D major 7th, da 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 da. To make it the D6, what I'm doing to the D major 7th, I'm adding my 2nd finger to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger to the 4th fret on the 3rd string. 5 down to the 5th string's open, the 4th string's open, okay? And it's the same rhythm, it's, sorry. Okay, da 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 da, fingers on, off, da 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 da, on, da. Okay? So the whole intro, very slowly. And also the first 2 lines of the verse, exactly the same chord sequence, okay? I talked to my baby on the telephone. Got that? Okay, so the intro and the first 2 lines of the verse are exactly the same to play. Okay, then we go into this bit. I really only met her about a week ago. Okay, about a week ago. That's a B minor 7th, so it goes into the B minor 7th. I really only met her about a E7 a week ago. So B minor 7th, that's the 2nd fret, bar chord, minor shape, pinky off. I really only met her about a E7, that's an E chord with the 4th string, D string open. There we go. Then we go to a C sharp minor, 4th fret from the capo bar chord, minor shape. Da, 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 da. F sharp major, 2nd fret from the bar chord, 2nd fret from the capo rather, bar chord, major shape. So far we've got this B minor 7th. I really only met her E7th. C sharp minor, da 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 da, F sharp, da, da. But that I love her is 2 chords, A7, that's an A chord with an open 3rd string, love, G, her, okay, love, her. So now we've got, I really only met her about a week ago, da 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 da, love her, okay. That's the A7 to G there, love her, love her. I'm hoping is a B minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape. Hoping that I never is an F diminished. That's an open 4th string, open 4th string, 1st fret of the 3rd string, open 2nd string and 1st fret of the top E string. Play it with those fingers, or all those fingers. First 4 strings only, 4 down to 1. And that's on I'm hoping that I never recover is a B minor 7th, which you've already played, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, pinky off, curve, A. Recover is an A chord. From the B minor 7th to an A. Okay, so that whole bit from the I really only met a bit. Okay, I really only met about a week ago, but it doesn't seem to matter to my heart. I know that I love her. I'm hoping that I never recover. So I'll talk you through that again. B minor 7th. Really only met about E7, go C sharp minor, da 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 da, G, sorry, F sharp, what am I talking about? Forget that, let's start again. B minor 7th, I really only met E7, go C sharp minor, F sharp, A7 to G, B minor, F diminished, B minor 7, A. So let's just get as far as that, shall we, with the whole thing. Okay? I'll do 2 lots of intro and then we'll do the verse up to that point, okay? Doesn't seem to matter to my heart. I know that I love her. I'm hoping that I never recover. Right, that's as far as we've got. And from the A, what I'd like to do now is add your, if you can, your thumb to the A chord on the 2nd fret of the bottom E string, or use your first finger. We need that to hear that bottom E string go to the 2nd fret with the A chord. Okay, so F sharp, she's, and then we go A7 to G again. Good for me. This time we play a F minor 6. So G, A7 to G, but it's good for me, and it really will be. Okay, so that's F6, F minor 6 is this. So is that 1, 2, 3, 1? Is that right? Let's just check what I'm doing here. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, so what I'm doing there. Okay, right. So 4th fret from the capo, 4th fret from the capo. Yeah. 5th string, first finger. Then my 2nd finger's playing the 3rd string, G string, on the 5th fret. 3rd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string, and my pinky is playing the 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string. It's like a diminished shape, but inside chord, inside strings. So just once again, 4th fret, 1st finger, 5th string, 2nd finger, 4th fret, 3rd string, and 3rd finger, 5th fret, 4th string, and pinky, 5th fret, 2nd string. And we're just playing those 4 strings, 5, 4, 3, 2. Should sound like that. It's an F minor 6. Okay. So let's get that far. So really only met about a week ago. Bum 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 bum. But she's good for me. La 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 la. Now we go to the F sharp again. Second fret bar chord major shape. Now this time we go to a B chord, but it's B suspended 4. So that's second fret bar. So you're playing an F from the F sharps, second fret bar. We go to a B chord. So keeping the bar on the first on that, so the first finger on the second fret. Bar the 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with either one finger or 3 fingers. But if you do it with the 3 fingers, you need to move this pinky up to the 5th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, if you're doing it with the bar, you just need to add your pinky to that 5th fret on the 2nd string. That's B suspended 4, yeah, so that's a B and that's a B suspended 4. Or we use a bar. Okay, so, and then you go to the B minor. So F sharp, B suspended 4, B minor. Okay, so from the beginning of this bit, really only met about a week ago. Da 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 da. Just do it again. I really only met about a week ago. I really only F sharp in the bass. A7 to G. F minor 6. F sharp major. B sus4. B minor. Then B minor 7th, take off pinky, E7, your intro again. You get the idea, don't you? Right? I'm running out of steam here. Right, so let's go through the whole thing very, very slowly, okay? So, she's good for me, it really makes me happy to never let her slip away. Right, well there you have it, boys and girls. I can't really tell you anything else. There's nothing else in the song. There's obviously a sax solo which is played over a verse, but that's all that's in the song, and just repeats it about 3 times, okay, with different words. So there you have it. You might double up on the chorus at the end. You might want to play the chorus twice. So coming out of that, where it goes. Sorry, I did that wrong. back into that. I love her, I'm thinking that I'll never be sober, but she's good for me. Happy, oh happy, There's some chords on the end which I haven't quite sussed yet, but something like A, A7, D, D minor, A. And you're right at the end of the song as it finishes, okay? So I say it doubles up on the chorus on the end, and then it throws in the last two lines of the chorus as well, just for fun. And I know it's gonna make me happy. Something like that as an ending, okay? So there you have it, boys and girls. You've got everything you need to play it. It just needs to mix and match to what you want to do. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video.